Hello, welcome to freexcellearn.com. Today I will show you data validation cell, short or long list. You see, this is a short list or most used list, and this is broad list or all item list. Okay. Now I will create a list that will display basically these lists. But when I will click on all, it will show on that time this all item list. Okay. So just see how I create this list. First I select the short item list and assign a name. Suppose this name is most. And then I select all item list and then assign a name all. Then I will go to another sheet, sheet 3. In here you see that I write it before select item, but what select item? I will create that item list. Okay. So just select here and go to data validation, and in this data validation you will select list. Okay. In this source you will write equal to if, and in here you will select this C4 cell. That means if this C4 cell equal to all, then it will show all item, otherwise it will show most item. Okay. Click OK. Now select that. You see that there is the short list item. You can select here dal, you can select here fish, but if you want to need all item, so click on all, then you will get the all list or all item list. Okay. Here you can select onion, it will go to the most used list again. Okay. This is the facility of this data validation cell, short or long list. Okay, thank you.